an easy streaming app to make money online. This new app I'm about to introduce to you guys is a game changer. In this new app, in your first 7 days, you will earn $0.8 to $1.05 just in 7 days of doing audio streaming. In this video, I will show you how the app works, how to start, and how beginners can earn fast. Don't skip this video because this might be your next online income app. Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time coming across my channel, it's your girl Selling. In this my channel, I share about legit updates that can help you to make money online just using your smartphone, your Wi-Fi, and your leisure time. So stick to my channel so that you will not miss any of my legit updates. So for you to get started on this app, all you need to do is just to click on the link at my description on my comment section. It will take you to Play Store where you will download this app. After downloading the app, the next thing you will do is the app will open. Once it's open like this, then click on me. Once you click on me, you will see.
So guys, click on Be Anchor. Once you click it, it will open like this. You put my agency ID 1901061. You join my agency, you confirm Lazy Agency. That is my name on this app. You click on confirm. After confirming it, then the next thing is to do your face authentication. It is live picture. After you do the face authentication is good, you click on confirm, then you submit it. Then go to my room and sit for 30 minutes so that your picture will be approved very fast.
Once you finish doing your face authentication, the next thing you will do is to check if my invitation bind or not, because once you use my link and download this app, you will receive a welcome bonus of coin. Their withdrawable money here is coin, while the one they used to play game or gamble is called diamond. All right, so you click on invite. Once you click on invite, then it will pop up like this. Then check my invitation code, my inviter. So check on my inviter. If it asks you to bind bind your inviter, click it and put my invitation code, which is at the comment section or my description. I'll be putting my invitation code at the comment section or at the description, so you bind it. But if you come here and see that it has already binded like this one you're seeing, you're good to go. You don't have any problem. Then the next thing you need to do is to go to my room and sit. Okay, in this app you cannot perform tasks in your panel. You cannot perform your task in another agency panel. You can only perform your task in my agency panel. All right, in my agency panel. So for you to locate my agency, click on home, then you click on search here. Once you click on search, then you put my agency code. My agency code, sorry, you put my room ID. Okay, this is my room. Let me show you guys my room. So you put my room, or yeah, because why I would click here now to work is because, yeah, see my room ID. Once you click on mic here, on mic here, camera, is it mic or camera? Once you click it, you will see it, agency voice room. This is my room ID 409270. Once you click it like this, you have entered my panel. So once you enter, choose any of the seats and sit down. Once you sit down like this, if you want to check your tax, if it is counting or not, click here, click on that 4 dots, then you click on tax, then you see your
7-day daily tasks, newbie tasks, daily tasks, and weekly tasks. So on your first day, you are expected to stay on mic for 30 minutes and you receive 1,000 coins. Day 2, follow 5 posts, you receive this thing, what's it called, sticker. On day 3, when you chat in public, that's when you come to my room now, you just chat 10, you just chat in chat 10 times, you receive frame also. Then on day 4, when you send a luxury gift, you receive 5,000 coins. That is diamond. The money will be added to your diamond, not coin. Diamond, the one you use to play game or gamble. On day 5, you create a room. On day 6, you invite one user. On day 7, you finish 1 to 6 and you will get gold premium. Then this is your newbie tax. The first one is to verify as a valid host, then bind payment, which I have not done. I will do it. Then another one is your daily tax. This is the banger. If you stay on voice room for 2 hours on mic, you receive 50,000. When you are on mic and you bet game reach 50k, one thing I love about this game is they calculate for you both your winning and your lose, and the one you're losing. So when you bet 50, you receive 10,000. As you can see, I've bet up to 50 and they are asking me to claim. Why I've not claimed this thing is because I want to use it and show you guys a sample of what I am saying. I may be saying it offhand and you will not understand it. So once you bet up to 50k, it will appear here. Once you're playing game, as you play small, come to this task and check how many betting you have gone so far, you have did so far. All right, the game, how many you have played so far, you will be seeing it here. Then you also, when you on your betting reach 100k, you also earn another 10k. When your betting reach 200k, you earn another 10k. As you can see, I bet up to 200k game and their games are returning, their gamblers are returning. Then another task is when you are in my panel voice room, send G lucky gifts. G lucky gifts is gambling. I will also show you which one is G lucky gift. Then reach 100, you receive 5,000. If you send lucky gift reach 500, you receive 20. If you send lucky gift reach 1 million, you receive 25,000. When you post a moment, that's picture or write up anything, you receive 100 coin. When you receive a high, I will also show you the high gift, you receive 100. When you receive a fighting gift, you receive 100. When you receive a lottery machine, that is gift, you also receive 1,000. And when you receive elephant, you receive 5,000. That is about daily. Then weekly is this one. Weekly is when your game hits 20 million before 1 week. That's from Monday to Sunday. Then they will reward you with 100,000 coins. So let me show you. That is their daily tax. So if you complete all these daily tasks, definitely you will receive about $0.8 to close to $1, because their minimum withdrawal is $10, which is 1 million coin. Yeah, 1 million coin is $10, which is their minimum withdrawal. In this app, you can withdraw through CONSELLER or through official. Their withdrawal method is Binance or Bybit or USDT or through CONSELLER. Yeah, you can as well use spender and withdraw. So you can withdraw anytime, any day. Then if it is CONSELLER, you need to contact the CONSELLER before you place withdrawal. All right, so yeah, that's all about Moma live streaming app. First, I said you need to download the app. Second, join agency with my agency ID. Third, do face authentication. Fourth, go and check if you have my invitation binded during your registration by clicking on invite. Then 6, come to my panel here and sit for 30 minutes. Once you sit for 30 minutes, it will help to fasten your face authentication approval. Yeah, is the system that will approve it. I am not the one that will approve it. So when you want to gift yourself, click on this envelope. Once you click it, the first one is hot is equally as gambling. The second one is G Lucky. That G Lucky I showed you people on tax icon. So if you play any of this G Lucky and reach 100, you will get reward. If you reach 1 million, you get reward. 500, you get reward. Then this one is also gambling. Then luxury is for gift. So this is that high you see there. When you send yourself high, you will receive 100. Then the fighting, yeah, there is another one they call fighting is 50,000 coins. When you give it, you receive, I think, 100 or 1,000 is what you saw there. Okay, 100. When you send lottery machine, you will reward with 1,000. Then when you send, which one again did they, elephant here, it's like elephant, then you also receive reward. So yeah, golden elephant 50. Is it golden elephant? No, elephant 500,000 coins, you receive 5,000. So luxury is for gifting, G Lucky and hot is for gambling. All right, and please make sure if you want to gift yourself, make sure you click out my profile, because this my profile is always highlighted though. Click all, then you click me out. Are you seeing? It is only my host account that is showing here now. Make sure you do it though. I don't want a situation where somebody will come and tell me, say, Mama, I made a mistake and send coin to you. I don't want it though, because you might tell me that when I run out of coin and I'm not ready to buy coin at that moment, it might be somehow. So make sure that you click out my profile, because this app, whether I am online or I am not online, my profile is always highlighted. So make sure you click it out like this before you send gift to yourself. And when people full panel, make sure that you click out everybody. It is only your profile that this purple color will circle, then you gift. All right, that is what you need to do to avoid making mistake of sending gift to people. So when you want to minimize, you just click like this and minimize. Okay, yeah, when you want to exit, you click here and exit. Then yeah, this is the coin for withdrawal. When I click on coin right now, when I click on withdraw, then they will ask me to bind my payment information. I've not bind it, so you bind your payment information. They will request for your photo of your international passport or voters card or any government issued ID card. That is what they want. When you put it, you put the ID number, you put your name, you put the photo, both front and back. Then you put your wallet address you want to withdraw with, either Binance or Bybit or Spender. You put it there, then put the name, the wallet name there. All right, then yeah, after that you withdraw. That is how to withdraw. Minimum withdrawal is $10, which is 1 million coin. So guys, I believe everything is clear about this app. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to share this video, subscribe to my channel if this video is really helpful to you. All right, disclaimer, this video is just for educational purpose. I am sharing my experience on the apps that I am working. Make sure that you make your own research before joining any app. Without no all right guys, thank you guys for watching. Bye bye, see you all in my next one.